Welcome back to the Bird Chef. On this episode of Budget Friendly Meals, we're going to be making a chicken penne with the thigh. And let's get started. Alright, so first up, we're going to start off by cutting up our chicken. We're just going to cut it up into little cube-sized pieces and removing the bones. We want to make sure we don't have too big of these pieces so that they fit into the sauce nice and evenly. Alright, now we got our chicken all cut up. We're going to put in 2 tablespoons of butter into our pan. Let that melt down. We're going to add about a cup of sliced mushrooms. And we're going to saute those until they start to sweat down. Now as that's starting to get a little hot, we're going to add in about 2 cloves of minced garlic. Then we're going to let the mushrooms sweat down a little bit more. Now that those mushrooms have had some time to sweat down, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Let that heat up in that hot oil so that those aromas start to come out. Let that heat up a little bit more. Now we're going to add in our diced up chicken thigh. Let's get those flavors blended into that chicken thigh so that there adds some flavor and let some of that chicken fat come out. Now we're going to add 15 ounces of tomato sauce. Get that well mixed in there. And we're going to season that to taste with some salt and pepper. Make sure that gets nice and evenly mixed in there. Now we want to heat that up just till it starts to boil, and then we're ready to serve. Alright, now that's all done. We're ready to serve. We're going to take our sauce, put it on top of some penne. Top it off with some Parmesan. And there you go. And there we have our chicken penne with the thigh. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for our next budget-friendly meal.